You guessed it, Augusta, Georgia. It's virtual open house time. This week's open house is located at 531 Thrasher Trail, lot 310 in the neighborhood of Whispering Pines. As I scan the front elevation, you'll see that this property is situated on a 60-foot home site in the cottages of Phase 3 in Whispering Pines. All hardy board exterior, front, side, and back with a nice brick skirt accent. As I scanned to the left, you saw the builder went ahead and installed a 6-foot shadow box privacy fence for your convenience. Nice front porch, perfect for some ferns or rocking chairs during the spring weather. Black shutters, and as I round this corner, you'll see the front door matches those shutters. Let's head on inside and see what the builder has to offer. As we walk throughout this home, I want you to notice the details. Notice the details. That is a very modern look to the raised chair rail and wainscoting. You'll see there's no separation. A lot of our homeowners are choosing to do this as it gives a more streamlined, modern approach to accents in your dining room. We're going through the foyer. To the right will be a half bath. You see a framed mirror, a nice gray, light gray color scheme, upgraded doors. It's an open concept floor plan between the breakfast room, kitchen, and the family room. You do have a nice column detail that I'm going by right now that also provides some separation. I'm going to scan back over here to the right. We'll go into the family room in a minute. I want you to notice the shiplap over this window. As you look through there, you saw that 6-foot shadow box fence. Nice modern feel, white cabinets, stainless steel pulls, subway tile. We're going over here. I'm going to turn to the right. Notice the nice doors. There's direct access between the formal dining room and the kitchen. That is great for entertaining. That's great for holiday seasons. That's great for right now, all of us that are homeschooling our kids and they need to go to and from these areas. I'm going to go back to the left. Into the breakfast room, you'll notice that light fixture. Now we're getting a good clear view all the way to the back of the family room. It's a very linear feel. That is a fully electric fireplace. There is no gas lines that run in the neighborhood. Another favorite feature of this home is going to be the hidden staircase that is off the living room, not at the front door, which is something that's really, really nice to have. I'm going to scan back over and do one final view from the back of the home, straight through the family room, through the breakfast room, directly into your kitchen, so you can get a good feel of the downstairs space. I've gone ahead and walked up the stairs. I'm currently on the second level of the Mary Grace floor plan. I'm going to focus heavily on this owner's suite in this video because I feel like with this home being a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, South Georgia did a really, really good job paying good attention to the details of this owner's suite. You'll notice a single tray ceiling and the ceiling fan already installed. Also, you'll see 4 recessed cans. That's great. You'll have extra lighting. As I go into the owner bathroom, you'll see the double vanity sinks. All the accents in the home, from the faucets to the hand towels to all of those, are going to be brushed nickels. It's very streamlined, very modern, very cleaned. You have the frame mirrors. We'll get to the closet in a minute. As I scan to the left, you'll see this very nice, clean ceramic tile shower. The door is already installed. Most of the time, the builders charge you for that as an upgrade. You'll see a frosted glass over your garden tub. In this bathroom, in this plan specifically, you have a garden tub with a separate shower. It's the tile sides, but then you have a fiberglass base. As I scan back through here, you'll see the wire shelving already installed in the closet. Some folks like it, some folks don't. I really want to give you a whole 360 view of this closet. I hope I'm not making you dizzy. My goal is for you to see how much space there is so you can really visualize your items of clothing in this closet. I'm going back out into the bathroom, walking past the tub on my right, the sinks on my left, going back out to your owner bedroom. We'll be taking a left. As I exit your space, you'll see one of the thermostats located in your owner's suite. Keeps the kiddos away from it, and mom and dad can focus really on the temperature control of your upstairs. We took a left out of the owner's suite, and here is your guest bathroom. This has 2 sinks and lots of natural light, as you can see coming in from that window, which is going to be nice. The thing I like most about this bathroom is that over here to the left, you'll see the shower tub combo. So your one child, if you have multiple kiddos, could be utilizing that shower at the same time that another one maybe is brushing their teeth or doing their hair. As a mother of 3, I appreciate having a space that can be used by multiple people at one time, and it can be convenient. This is going to be a guest bedroom number 1 upstairs. Has a nice feel, good natural light, a great color scheme of paint throughout the home, as you can see in all the bedrooms as we scan through. I'm going to go back out to the hallway and show you guest bedroom number 2. Very similar in feel. This one does have a little bit more character as I walk into the room, excuse me. I opened up this closet so you can see the type of closet. It's not going to be a walk-in closet. Going back out here into the left, guest bedroom number 3. All are very similar in size. All have great natural light. All are ready for ceiling fans to be installed. All the electrical work is already done. We can give you pricing if you would like those. Going back out here, look at that sconce. That's beautiful. You'll notice the knee wall. And here is going to be your laundry room. Again, some folks like wire shelving, some don't. I'm giving you a close-up view, so if you want to take that out after you close, add in your own open shelving, which a lot of folks are doing. Maybe you want to add in cabinets. Those are definitely options, but you can at least see the space. I'm currently on the landing. I look back through all the bedrooms. I'm looking down. Now I'm going to go ahead and head outside. This backyard is absolutely phenomenal. This home site is great. We're looking on the side porch right now. What I like most about this home site is that if you wanted to add more concrete, you could do it. But the fence is installed, the space is here, this home is ready for you. Hope each of you enjoyed the video taken of 531 Thrasher Trail, which is the Mary Grace floor plan on lot 310 built by South Georgia Homes. We will be having a virtual open house this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday from 1:30 to 3:30. Mr. Ben Parrish, who works on my team, will be your direct point of contact and the virtual open house host. His number is 706-755-5648. And any questions that you have, any specific videos that you need, please reach out to him directly and he'll be happy to answer those for you. Ben Parrish, 706-755-5648. We look forward to hearing from each of you this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thanks so much.